How was school today, Maya?
Good, Mom. I studied for my exam very hard.
That's wonderful to hear, Maya.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, Tom. How about you? Did you have a good day?
It was okay. It was okay. Math was difficult today.
You'll get better if you practice more.
Yes, Tom. Just keep trying. You can do it.
I finished the history project, too.
You're always so organized, Maya.
That's excellent. I finished my project also.
That's nice, Tom.
So, Maya, tell us more about your exam.
I worked on it every night for 2 weeks.
2 weeks of dedication. That shows real discipline, Maya.
I wanted to do really well.
You always set good goals for yourself.
I studied for my test, too.
Of course you did, Tom.
I'm most proud of the science section. Science is difficult. Many students struggle with it.
Not for me. It was actually enjoyable.
That shows true aptitude, Maya.
I'm getting better at science.
That's good progress, Tom. Keep working hard.
Some students got very low scores. It was strange.
Hard work always produces results, Maya. Remember that.
Dad! Look at this!
What is it, Maya? Let me see.
My final exam.
I got 98%. 98%. This is excellent, Maya. Not only your score, but your discipline, your focus.
You worked so hard for this, Maya.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
Your diligence has finally been rewarded.
This is what happens when you commit yourself fully.
I'm so proud of myself.
I also have a test.
That's nice, Tom.
Let me see it.
Improved. You still have much room to grow.
I studied very hard for this one.
You can definitely do better, Tom. Keep trying.
Yes, I will.
Now, we must celebrate properly.
Maya, we have something special for you.
Oh! What is this?
A gift for your outstanding achievement.
This is for someone who works hard. Someone who proves their ability through results.
A tablet. Really?
You deserve this reward. You've been serious about studying.
Thank you so much.
Use it wisely for your future studies.
I will. I promise. Thank you. You've made us very proud, Maya.
Your achievement is the family's pride.
Congratulations, Maya.
Thanks, Tom. Look how fast it is.
Beautiful. You'll use this for wonderful things.
Could I borrow it sometime? The teacher sent videos for our class. No, this is mine.
Just for a few minutes. To watch the lesson. You don't deserve to use my reward, Tom.
I just need to see the lesson.
If you worked as hard as me, you'd get your own.
Maya is right, Tom. Rewards come to those who earn them. I study too. I work hard.
Not the same way. Not with the same results.
I understand.
Remember this part? He is so funny in this scene.
Fine. I don't want to talk about it anyway.
Okay, I can do this. I just need to focus.
Tom. Hey, Tom. Where are you? Tom, where is your homework?
I'm still working on it.
Still? It should be done by now.
There's a problem I don't understand.
Why don't you understand it? It's difficult. I need to think about it more.
Maya completes difficult assignments every day. You must focus more. Be stronger.
Yes, Dad?
Oh, honey. It's okay. I understand.
We need to talk about Tom.
What about him?
I found him tonight working on math alone. Not playing, not being lazy, actually trying.
That's good. He should work hard.
No, that's not the point. Tom studies harder than ever, but nobody sees it.
His scores don't show the improvement needed.
We have created a competition between them. Maya is so high now that Tom can never reach her.
We must keep high standards. The world is competitive. I'm building his strength.
But he's not getting stronger, he's breaking. Every comparison makes him feel more worthless.
He just needs to persist.
He is persisting.
Alone. Without encouragement.
Because of her score, Tom can't participate anymore. It's not fair to either of them. I was so sure I failed this time. But a B+, that's actually pretty good. How am I gonna tell them? Dad's gonna be so disappointed. I can't believe I got a D. Tom, what's that? A test.
I did okay.
Can I see? Tom, this is really good.
It's not like your scores. I know. But look how much you improved.
This is actually impressive, Tom. Well,
Really?
really, you worked so hard for this.
Thank you, Maya.
Significant improvement, Tom.
I see how much you progressed.
I studied very hard.
I know you did. I see it now.
We're proud of your effort, Tom.
Thank you.
You show real persistence. That's valuable.
I'm glad.
Do you want help with math? You would help me? Of course. I want to help. We can use this together. Both of us.
Okay. I'd like that.
If we adjust the angle like this, you can see the slope better. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes it much clearer.
See how this works?
Yes, I see it now.
Good. You can do this, Tom. This makes me happy.
Me too.
Maya's excellence is beautiful, but Tom's growth is too.
I wasn't seeing his strength before.
None of us were. But now we are.
I finished my project early today.
That's excellent, Maya. Tom, how is your project coming?
I'm almost finished.
And your understanding is growing?
I'm understanding more each day.
Both of you are working so hard.
Can we help each other sometimes?
Yes. Helping each other is strength. It's just so nice having everyone together like this.
And then I told him the answer, Dad. It was the best part.
We want to tell you something.
We haven't always seen you clearly. We compared you too much. Unfairly.
I didn't understand it hurt, Tom. It did hurt. But I know you didn't mean it.
Love should never be a competition. Each of you is worthy. Each of you matters.
Your growth matters, Tom. Your excellence matters, Maya. But they matter differently, and that's okay.
I'm sorry for the things I said.
I forgive you.
I really missed you, Maya. Working on something?
Yes, but it's easier now.
I'm here if you need help.
Thank you, Maya.
Oh! Look at this resource I found for you. That helps with the difficult concepts.
This is how family should be.
Helping each other, growing together.
I'm proud of you. Both of you.
And we're proud of you, too. We're a good family.
We are.
It feels good to finally just sit here together.
It really does. The house feels peaceful now.
What matters most is not who excels more. What matters is that we grow together.
And that we love each other truly. I'm sorry for making you feel small.
And I'm sorry for being distant.
We're all learning how to love better.
And that's the greatest reward.
I love moments like this.
We finally found our peace.
Thank you for being honest with me today.
I needed to hear the truth today, too.
I'm glad we're doing this together. Me too.
Everything feels right again.
I'm just so happy we worked things out.
We love you guys.
What matters is that we grow together.
And that we love each other truly. Isn't this just the perfect moment?
More beautiful than I
Ever imagined.